My name is Elena, and this is my aha moment. I come from a family, Latino family, very hard worker family. My fathers always say that we don't rest when we die. After I graduate from school, I want to go to college to be an attorney. And my father was an old-fashioned, so he said the women had to be at home and the husband would take care. So they always stay in my mind. So I always wanted to be someone that I can help someone. When he said that, it made me more desire that I needed it to be somebody. I didn't want to just be just beside being a mom and a wife. I didn't want to just be that. So I decided to pursue more education. And I do visit a lot of people, sometimes that they're like maybe sad or in a situation that they're not happy. And when I get to their homes and I started talking to them, many people say, "You give me peace." And I said, "Well, thank you." My goal is to continue helping others and to make a difference for someone, and that made me very happy.